Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be completely providing you the review of Grand Mercure Hotel which is located in Mysuru. So this is the beautiful entrance of the Grand Hotel, and at the right side there is a beautiful water fountain along with the parking space. So your valet parking is available. As you enter, you can see the beautiful Urli decorated with flowers, and you can also see the Mysore Palace miniature. It's very beautiful. And here is the dot painting of Mysore Palace. It's very amazing. Now, next, when you go slightly ahead, there is a silk bar, and this is the beautiful silk bar which has warm lights along with sofas, chairs, and a comfortable and cozy space. This is the reception section, and the reception area is very huge with great lights and chandeliers, and there are 3 to 4 counters which makes the check-in process very easy, and we hardly waited 10 to 15 minutes. There is a good store also, and comfortable chairs to sit and ample of space to sit. This store had some jewelry along with Kashmiri dresses and shawls. So this is the huge area where there are washrooms. One can easily visit the washroom. For morning breakfast, we had ample of options. You can see detox water over here. Then there were various juices provided here, that is cucumber juice, buttermilk, watermelon juice. So there are ample of options. There is something in store for everyone. So there were fruits also like papaya, apple, watermelon, grapes. So you can make your one fruit dish over here. Next, there were sprouts, chana, then lettuce, or carrots, cucumbers. So, very fresh feels you can get over here. You can have capsicum, various types of capsicum, peas, and boiled corn as well. There was also paneer salad. So, there were so many options in salad, as well as there were options in yogurt as well. So you can get yogurt, gino, pineapple yogurt. Also there were two types of milk, that is coconut milk, hot milk for your cornflakes. And there were seeds also, sunflower seeds, cashews, pumpkin seeds. Here there were compote also. There were ample of varieties. You can prepare your toast. So there were 3 kinds of butter as well, that is herbs butter, unsalted butter, and the salted butter as well. Here various sauces and sides were also available like ketchup, whipped cream, honey for your waffles, chocolate syrup. Then we had pudding also, then baked beans. Then there were stew vegetables also. Then in South Indian there were good options. That is, you had bonda, then aloo paratha. Then there were puri and chole sabzi. Then there was rice also. Vermicelli upma was also available, and there were fresh idlis where we had coconut chutney along with sambar, and there were 3 kind of chutneys. So La Upu restaurant is very huge. Everybody has a comfy and cozy place. Nicely everybody can eat over here, there are various statues and plants placed over here, which makes its ambience look very great. On the wall, they have also placed some information about food. There is a beautiful coffee maker over here where you can have macchiato, cappuccino, americano, espresso by your own. Then on the left side, there are various sugar options. Outside of the restaurant, there are small tea stalls kept over here where we can have the outdoor dining experience, and they provide a coffee, hot chocolate, Horlicks, anything that you would like. This is ISS Spa, which is located on the top floor. And when you go ahead, on the left and the right side, there are washrooms. And when you go outside, you can have the beautiful city view. This is the evening time around 5 p.m. So it was a beautiful view. Now, when you go ahead, there is a huge pool over here, there, swimming pool. So let's go over there. Trust me, during the sunset, it looks amazing. This place looks amazing. You can spot sunset over here. So this is the huge swimming pool. There is also on the left side a small pool for kids as well. So here there is By the Blue restaurant, and this is the dining space for the outdoor, and it looks like this. This is the indoor space, and here you can see the beautiful view of the city. This is the night view which I recorded from By the Blue restaurant, and it looks stunning at night. This space in the hotel I liked a lot, that is ISS Spa. So this is the inner view of that, and there are certifications provided here along with the Urili kept over there. So this is the spa section. Here you can have couple massage, facials, and they have complete details over there. It was very cozy, comfy, bathrobes and everything is provided, and along with it the vibe was very soothing, warm.
Hello everyone. Today we will have a room visit of Grand Mercure Mysore. So we have inserted our key card, starting with these two switches. This is for your do not disturb, this is for your laundry. Let's have a look to the room. This is the broader view of the room. You can see how beautiful it is. Let's start with this cupboard they have given, where you have a ironing board, you have hangers, you have locker, and this side our door with fire exit plan. Let's go to the washroom. So you can see this is the wash machine. They have given the essential kits, and here you have the toothpaste, brush, comb, everything. Here you have body lotion, hand wash, then the toilet section and the shower section. Here you have the dustbin and a telephone for emergencies. Let's go next. This is the place where you can keep your luggage. This is for the water bottles, the glass bottles, very nice and beautiful. These are your kettles, mugs and pouch, tea bags, coffee bags. The phone is of ours, it's not provided. And this is the some dry fruits, almonds, cashews, We have a mini bar as well. And let's go to the room. In front of this you have a big mirror. Let's go to the room. So while entering you have a big smooth carpet where you don't have to go with the shoes. It's very comfortable with barefoot. We have kept our luggage here. Let's start from this. First, the bed. Look at the big queen size bed, very comfortable. Here you have some charging point connector, some switch, one table, bedside table. This your AC remote controller. See the pattern, very beautiful. The lights, smooth and warm. Our TV is there, set-up box is there. It's a chair table is given for your work, and a table lamp is given. One dustbin is given. Here you have some artifacts where you have ethnic Indian sari patterns and different pictures. Along with that you have another bedside table, the telephone, one more table and a comfy chair for your food and refreshment. And they have massage and spa sections where you can have the details from this pamphlet. They have a barcode where you can scan and you can order the food. Now let's go to the view. So this is the city view. You can see very warm weather, very pleasant. The clouds are there, full on city view. The room is on 4th floor. There are more 5th and 6th, and there is a honey bee section. It's a hive, but you don't have to worry about that because the room is glass protected. So thank you.